always think that they want to hear that. You can hit it and save it for the last. You don't have to do it all the time. Kasi yun ang nakakapagod. Nakakapagod din sa ano mo. Remember, ang workout dyan, para mangyari yun. Sakit. I mean, it works out. But you're trying to produce it with the least tension. With the least, kumbaga, discomfort sa muscles niya sa loob. Okay? So don't always use it. Otherwise, okay sana eh. No? Build up to it. Build up to it. And so that should be saved, should have just been saved para dun sa huli. Para may impact. Okay. Next. Pero ang ganda, no? Naging niya relax pag tinatamaan niya. Pero lang sa isang nota. Napabayaan na konti. Okay.
Ganda ng ano mo ah. Background.
Okay, behave. I like your behave.
Kanina, parang bulang apo.
So many things that she wishes. She don't even know what she's missing.
Taba ng hita ko.
Oo nga, ba't nga ang taba dyan?
All she knows.
Pata. Taba din, Miguel, nakita.
Diet, Miguel, diet.
Hindi, fit lang yung suot mo.
I like that. Ang ganda niyan. Kinwento mo.
But she helps at the store in the holiday rush, and she picks up the kids after school.
Talagang kinukwento mo.
And she puts down the phone when her husband comes home, and she changes from mother to wife.
Pero yun ang
But she
kinoment sa'yo.
feels her words hanging between them, and she hangs by her words to her life. She says, I swear I love my husband.
I like it. Finally, it's more relaxed. Ha?
No, I wanted to be like my mother, but if I hadn't done it as soon as I did, oh, there might have been time to be me for myself.
Ay, pero
For myself.
Ano title niyan?
So many
Wala yung name
things
niya
that
dyan.
she wishes. She don't even know what she's missing, and that's how she knows that she. She said, "Oh God, I love my husband.
Naging halino ka dyan.
Oh, I wanted to be like my mother, but if I hadn't done it as soon as I did, oh, there might have been time to be me for myself."
sayang yung mic.
So many things that she wishes. She don't even know what she's missing. That's how she
Late yung ano.
Taba ng hita ko.
that she
Actually, I like the interpretation. So, you just, parang hindi mo trinatras yung katawan mo na makakayanan mo yung mataas na mata. Yung, you broke it, then you natakot ka. No, andun na eh. Andun ka na, oh. The posture was right. Pa! Provide the air. Then you don't miss the impact. Maybe that's the effect, Lloyd, na ano nung nag-comment.
Storytelling.
Yeah.
Kasi nung
But
kumakanta-
actually, it could have been taken care of. You broke it. You broke that connection at that moment in time. But, meron namang ibang reaction yan. Meron akong kilala, naiyak. Oh, si Teacher Liddy naiyak.
Sa kanta ni Galing.
Naiyak siya. So, you see the different reactions. But what I'm saying is, baka yun, dahil siguro alam niyang, pero you held back, you were afraid to hit that high note. And that could matter a lot. That's the connection I've been telling you about. Nandun na, nakikinig na yung tao. So, yes! And